We're at American Shine. This car's finally ready after 5 months or so of restorations. God damn, dude. Wow. I can't believe this is even the same car. It had good bones, but it was so dirty. I mean, there were spots on the car that didn't even make sense.
One thing that that Daniel did that looks a lot better is this windshield cowl here was really faded. And so we cleaned that up really well and then ceramic coated it with Deluxe, and it just darkens it up. I mean, it almost looks like we put a new cowl on there.
Wow.
That's like one of the things that made the biggest visual difference.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it does look like a lot newer.
Looks like brand new.
Yeah.
Engine bay, you know, there's only so much that you can do in here.
Oh, it looks so much better.
So much better.
I mean, before it was like,
there were like leaves and sand and dust
gum,
and
all kinds of stuff.
Just clean, you know, we didn't really use any dressings or anything under there. Just wanted to get it, you know, as close back to factory.
I remember when we went over the car, I asked if I should have this stuff repainted, but it doesn't need it. It definitely does not.
It definitely doesn't need it, especially if, you know, like you say, you're trying to maintain the originality of it. I definitely think that leaving it is best.
Another really nice thing about this particular car is there wasn't any cracking on the dash or warping of the leather or anything like that. Really with any older car, especially with exotics, you're gonna see that kind of stuff. They just weren't made to endure it. Fortunately, this car, no issues. I am gonna be driving it, taking it to car shows, and it will be in the sun. So we ended up doing this UV protection film underneath the windshield. That's actually obviously better for the car, better for you as well as the driver and passenger. But yeah, I'll let you go into some detail if you want to talk about it.
Yeah, sure. It's just a dual layer window tint. It's a ceramic window film from Llumar. It's their Air 80 series. Essentially, it's kind of the same thing as the IRX series, which we used on the rest of the car. But it really does a nice job at, for one, rejecting heat so that when you're driving the car, you're not cooking in there. Most vehicles, the biggest piece of glass is the front windshield. So you got all that heat coming through, all that UV. And then like Alec was saying, the dashboards on these, because they're plastic, over time with age and heat, they will crack. I know there's some out there that are cracked, and the fact that this one is intact is really nice. Obviously you want to keep it that way. So when he drives this out and, you know, parks it as Cars and Coffee or Cars and Cigars or a rally or whatever, we just want to make sure that it can sit in the sun and not have any worries about any stuff that's going to happen down the road. So HVAC doesn't have to work as hard. I know that these things make a lot of heat in the cabin.
Yep,
so if we can, you know, kind of enable the HVAC, the AC to be more efficient and keep you cool, then obviously that's going to be a win as well.
Yeah,
for sure.